Hello everybody! Welcome back. First things first, the game crashed, so I lost all recording, so this is actually a re-record. But anyway, I'm Jonathan from Out of This World Games. If you like the video at any point, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment on what stories to do. I actually did not complete... Oh! Oh right, I didn't even get to the first option when the game crashed. Okay. But anyway. Well, you don't get to see the intro if I do that. So, it was these two. If I do that, you guys get to see the intro, but... Yeah, the game crashed, and because of my recording software...
Message to all recent players, I'm hosting a test for...
Most recent message.
This is a Code 12 broadcast. The remnants of the Top Hat clan have been seen mobilizing near the Dogo Bogo jungle. Rumors are they are attempting to launch an orbital satellite of some kind. Unconfirmed reports are telling us they are shipping their assets by train.
But yeah, when
to
I'm
this
done
base
here, I'm
in
gonna
the
do my
jungle.
Just Shapes and
These
Beats video
assets include all treasures and
for you guys. It'll
artifacts
be
they have
tomorrow, but
stolen
for me,
throughout
it will
the
be
years. Now these treasures are worth quite a lot of money,
a couple
so
weeks
we
from
gotta
now,
make
or a
sure.
week from now. I should say, not a couple weeks. I'm not pre-recording these that early.
No stowaways here. This is Checkpoint Inspection Team 5. We are all clear.
Roger that. We'll be heading out here in just a second.
Top Hat
Well,
box.
I suppose we should hop in, huh? How did we lose one? I think we should throw it in the cart, just to be safe. Ah.
That's a clear reference to the first game. When commission it, or what you need to use to win prop.
Well, I suppose we should hop in.
I don't really,
Time.
I don't like
Is
really
that
doing
bush
this.
always there? I'm not sure. I'll give it the test.
I really don't like. I've
Oh,
just
was it
done
fake?
this because the game did crash.
Well, I suppose we should hop
I
in.
will point out any
About
references I
time.
get, and there's these
Alright, I'll get the
little
door.
Among Us crewmates that you can get.
You were standing right Someone next there? Hey, you there! Whoa, check out this crazy coat rack. Oh, look at me, I'm a little hat holder person. Ooh, can I take your hat? Ooh, I wonder what's out the window. Oh, it broke.
I still find that funny though. Press F to pay respects. Oh. I didn't realize that was an actual thing. Okay.
Excuse me. I was saving that seat for my friend. Hello? Hello? Oh, hey, there you are. Yeah, no, this guy just took your seat. I don't know.
Look on Henry's face. Stowaways. Stowaways? On my train? It's more likely than you'd think. Yes. Quick! Wait, hold on a second. Wait. Quick! Do nothing! I swear this is becoming a meme at that point. Last stop, brick wall. Now, I know this is a reference to a game, though I don't remember what game this is to, but I do recall seeing it. And by the way, the Among Us figures are clearly a reference to Among Us. My brother, he used to play it. I think he's lost interest in it.
See ya! Let's get everything packed up before it gets too late.
Fill with beer. I was unable to read the rest of that, but... once airborne... What? Why? Why once airborne? That's interesting. Also, this is infinite cubed. Like, it actually shows this cubed. Or infinity cubed.
Oops.
There was Among Us. Oh wait, I just realized. There was a diamond block there. Like a Minecraft diamond block. Awesome. I think that one might be a nod to Luigi's Mansion, with the poltergust being a vacuum cleaner with the thing on the back and seemingly able to hold infinite ghosts. Well, hey, I played through this a little tiny bit faster. Well, there might be files.
Okay, everyone, today's the day. Why is it empty in here?
Why is it empty in here? Oh, there's a diamond helmet right there. There's a lot of gems at the top here. I just remembered, unless I'm in this menu which you cannot see, you can't actually see my mouse. Next up was these two paths. I'll be doing 3 paths for video. This should round out to 6 videos. Now,
You sure this is where he's gonna pick us up? Ah, there he is. You said you did some work with him in the past, or something? If you trust him, then so do I.
Hey, Henry! Nice to see you again. Who's your friend?
I'm Ellie.
Well, nice to meet you. Any friend of Henry's is a friend of mine. So, I was able to swing by and pick you guys up, but, well, you remember the captain. Yeah, he had to sanction this pickup. In return, we're gonna need your assistance again. The top hats. Again. I hope that's alright.
Well, it is the least we could do. He is helping us out.
Good. Let me fill you in on
very
the
funny how
details
it
when we get
crashed
to
on my
the-
least favorite story, by the way. I won't spoil
Right,
it, but
so
it
what's
crashed
left of
during
Top
the
Hat
intro.
Clan is set up
before
some
the
sort of
cutscene
secret
ended.
base out in the jungle. Seems like they're planning on launching some kind of space station into orbit. They'll be sitting pretty if they pull this off, so we gotta make sure that they don't do that. I talked to the general and he said he's pulling out all our main forces. He said that Henry and I made a good team last time, so he trusts that we can pull it off.
Henry and I make a pretty good team too. Don't count me out.
Then we're gonna make a great squad. The 3 of us will have no problems
It's a trio.
completing the mission.
Charles.
Why did you say it like that? Alright, we're there. I don't think I can get any closer without getting shot down.
No worries. We can get there from here.
Where are we dropping, boys?
What's up over here? Also, Ellie is all suddenly right there. Because, yeah.
We got some delinquents on the window of the control tower.
I'll take care of it.
Yeah, I was just about to close up.
Oh, I just realized that's a Fortnite reference over there. And I hate that. Fortnite should ever rest and never return. Okay, my hatred for it might be because it did take the crown from Minecraft. You can't actually buy the characters when they're smaller. So majestic. The majestic Ellie and Henry Stickmin. Or actually, I'm not sure what Ellie's last name is. It's just Ellie.
That was weirdly smooth. So, what's the plan?
The rocket will be launching very soon.
Please get on board immediately. I will not hesitate to leave you behind. Uh-oh. Sounds like they're about to take off. You guys should get over there right away. I'll be down to help as soon as I can.
If you do this certain amount. 6.
Hey, that looks like fun,
Okay,
but,
so if you do it 6
kind
times.
of on the clock here.
Anyway. That sound might be from referencing Donkey Kong. This here is actually referencing Super Mario 64 during the Bowser fights. It says, "So long, me Bowser." So, yeah, at least I believe that's what it's referencing. Climb down and run. 'Cause this is a smart decision.
You guys are still running? I could just pick you up. Oh, you're staying committed to your choice. I can respect that.
Only 20 more minutes. You're halfway there. I hope I don't get claimed for that. I clearly don't know what this is a reference to. Totally. It's only not a Minecraft reference or anything. YouTube video.
So, hey guys. Oh, I thought you were saying get out. Jonathan, hey, I am your co-host.
And also this.
What's up, guys? I'll be back in a minute.
Wait a second. Time is supposed to be frozen here, and I just realized this. The steak is still spinning. Also, the failed thing is the says you died. And the one that's correct is a reference to Donkey Kong. Why? Stop! This is a clear reference to Donkey Kong. And also, quick! Do nothing! And
Right here, combo time.
quick! Do something. I don't know what I was trying to say.
I gotcha.
Oh, Wyatt, this is actually a re-record, by the way.
High five, bro.
Look at Charles' face, Wyatt. He's just so smug.
Like, yeah, I did that right. Them. Whoa, Charles, what you do?
Right here, combo time.
Funny story. This cannon was actually built.
But
to
yeah, this
fire
is a re-record.
humans.
The
Kinda
game
weird.
crashed and I lost
Funny, bud.
footage.
Direct hit. Now quick, guys, you gotta stop that rocket from taking off.
I'm gonna do another recording after this.
Situation.
Yes, every single one of these characters are bioable.
Yo.
Diversion's actually the correct one, by the way.
Fusion.
Is that like a reference to like Dragon Ball Z or something?
Yes.
The guns don't work, so they have to use as sticks. Guess the budget ran out. You can actually bio this fusion.
Who will challenge me?
I just realized there were guys
I'll
that
take care of this.
were like Mario and
You
Luigi.
think just because you fused you're a
That-
match for me? Don't make me laugh.
This
Enough
is
waiting
Dragon Ball
around.
This is a complete Dragon Ball. Yep, Dragon Ball Z reference, guys. Or Super, I'm not sure. It's one of the two.
This normally goes on for another 3 hours.
Yo.
And this has turned into a meme at this point. So yeah. It's the diversion dance. Responsible for 1 fail and 1 success. So, I'm extra destroyed by it, everyone here.
Situation sorted.
I like those situations.
Guys, the rocket's launching. We gotta do something before they get into orbit.
We need to come up with a plan. Quick.
Huh. Okay, guys, I have the most awesome plan.
I'm gonna crash headfirst into the cafeteria window.
What do you mean? Like, you're gonna jump out and smash it with your head?
No, with my helicopter. What do you guys think? I'm ready to...
Hold on, I don't really understand.
What's not to understand? It's simple. I fly the helicopter into the window.
But how does that help?
I don't really think you get it. Henry, you get it, right?
I guess I'm outvoted then.
I think it's a little bit out of range now.
It would have been amazing, Charles. Ah!
Which one's yours?
Alright guys, listen
Henry's.
up. I got a plan. Henry and I will overload the engine
This one's a
room,
pretty
causing an
solid
explosion. Charles, we'll need you to wait outside the auxiliary exhaust by the forward left booster.
I have one
We
more
only have
story.
about 20 seconds
one
to
more
get out before it blows.
ending I'm gonna
Alright,
get when I'm
be
done
ready.
here.
Now hurry.
Sorry guys, that exploded way too fast.
No.
Where is he?
Alright, I'm in position. I don't see you guys, though.
He's on the wrong side. Forward left? Your left or mine? And
Seems like Henry's got a plan.
So,
He says yeah 4 times
yeah.
here.
oh, yeah, that's a great idea. Alright, you guys do your thing,
That-
I'll be ready. What? Who's that?
Okay, I'm in middle recording.
Did you set the autopilot?
Okay, so
Alright,
my
let's bail.
grandpa is and grandma is leaving to go to grab sisters. So that's why he came in. I wonder why.
What a move. Can't believe we did it.
Also, I still
Thank you
can't
for
get over the
sending the
fact that
rocket
he
anyway.
calls them a squad. It's a trio. Is what's called. Also, the wall makes an appearance.
That was a lot of fun. You know, feel free to call us if you got any more jobs to do together. Right, Henry?
Triple threat. Also, you may note. Well, actually, I already went over this, but the game did crash. It does actually crashed with this combination here, which I noticed from a Let's Play, which actually got my caught my attention of fact that this exists, is that it did crash here as well.
Topic plan to easily raid any place on Earth.
Henry? Henry! I heard you
Yeah.
died.
Also,
Man.
as I said
The Top Hat clan has been causing a
before,
bunch
this
of
is my
problems
least
for me
favorite
lately.
ending.
Yeah, ever since they
Except
got
for
that
you,
orbital station
you guys
set up,
won't
they've
ever
been
get to see
super
that because
strong.
I have
Now that I
permanently
think
lost
about it,
that footage.
you and I made a pretty good team.
Very
in the
funny
past.
enough, though, this is about
bet
the
we
same
could take
point
him
that I
out.
was last time.
It's starting to get personal.
It
Well,
crashed
what do you
just
say?
before it
you
did
wanna help
that.
me take him out for good? Awesome. All right, follow me. I have a way we can get into space.
Ready for a UFO?
Secret government prototype. What do you think? There it is. Alright, how do you want me to bring you in? Oh, this is so exciting. It's just like last time.
I think the trash ball is the correct answer. I
Alright, I'll
think.
just swing by, I guess, and drop you off.
Hey, Chief. We're detecting a government ship approaching.
Okay, so blow them up already.
The dude straight up drove into lasers.
1 star.
Yeah, I'll just beam you right aboard. Should be a piece of cake.
Welcome aboard. Now get out. This totally should have been an exclamation point here.
It sounds weird, but this air bubble's gonna keep you breathing till you get to the side wings, alright? It's also really sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it popping on you. Unfortunately, it doesn't move very fast. Still working that one out. Don't worry, I'll keep you company till you get there.
He's suffocating.
What kind of movies do you like?
He's dead. You used up all the air already? You glutton? Okay.
Put on this spacesuit and hide in this ball of trash. What? It's a good idea, trust me.
What? This is a good idea, trust me.
See? I told you it was a good idea. The top bats have no clue you're there now. I'm gonna stick back here, though, so they don't detect me. Should still be able to help you get inside from here, though.
Uh-huh.
So the correct one for once is Charles.
This might make you a little nervous, but I'm gonna fire a super accurate laser shot right next to you. It'll make a hole you can climb through and get inside, you know?
We're under attack. Maximize the shields.
So long, me Henry. Shields up. Hot knife.
Feel that button there on your
I
helmet?
think this
Go ahead
here
and
is
press that.
a reference to something.
It's a knife that's so
Not sure
hot
what.
it can cut through any material. You dropped it, didn't you?
Butterfingers.
You know what? No. This calls for some bold action. I'm the bold action man.
The
Warning. Critical damage to core. Please evacuate immediately.
I've always wanted to do that.
Warning.
Anyways, I should probably find a way off this station before it explodes.
funny how the last two stories had that be a
The
fail.
door's jammed. This is the only way through.
So someone who knows the series would totally be expecting that to be the fail.
I think I can hack this panel to get the door to open.
Sophie? Wyatt? Hello?
Nightmares out
Yeah, I have no idea.
Our
what I'm
helmets
doing.
are out in the living room.
in the living room?
Yeah.
In the kitchen?
Yes.
I'm just making sure because we're leaving now.
Okay. And I'm in the middle of recording, so.
We're in the middle of the recording.
No, I am.
1, 2.
Henry died. And,
His fingers were never seen again.
I mean, he was never seen again because it explodes.
I bet this vent leads somewhere on the other
So
side.
neither of them were.
Crawling
Crawling through.
through the vents. Oh boy, we're running out of time.
Damage to core. Please evacuate immediately.
The middle door is actually the correct one.
Got room for 2 more?
Rude. I like how it cuts to just pretty much all holding guns to them.
Reverse thruster engaged.
Why do they even have that lever? I don't know.
Well, that was intense. Can't wait to go home.
Don't worry about it. I'll find another way.
Yeah, this is the sad ending.
Henry? You there? Man, that roughed me up. Got him, though. There's gotta be another escape pod around here somewhere. We did it, though. We got him. It was a pretty good plan. Could say it was the greatest.
Yeah, I really don't like that ending.
General, the Top Hat station's been destroyed.
Excellent news.
What's wrong?
What's wrong? Okay, well, guys, that will about do it for today's video. But as I said before, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, How This World Games is out of this world indefinitely.